2014 Subaru Outback Premium. Up to 30 miles per gallon, under 10 grand. Dark slate blue metallic paint. Aluminum alloy wheels with a fresh set of necks and tires. Tinted windows. Rear bumper protector. All-wheel drive. Rear cargo mat with cargo cover. Black interior, Subaru all-weather mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Powered driver's seat. Heated front row seats. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, fog lights. Just over 142,000 miles. And if you even got a sunroof, y'all come see us at U-Cars.